What'd you make, Keelan?
A grindstone.
How's it work?
So you twist it and it goes down,
Mm-hmm.
and you twist it the other way. It makes it go up. And it
Nice. I like it. Very cool.